In this video, I'll guide you through how to embed a SurveyMonkey form in Mailerlite. Whether you're looking to enhance your email campaigns with interactive surveys or simply gather more insights from your audience, embedding a SurveyMonkey form in Mailerlite can be a game changer. So let's dive right in and explore how you can seamlessly integrate these two powerful tools. First, you'll want to head over to surveymonkey.com. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this is where you'll access the surveys you've previously created. Once you're on the homepage, navigate to the section labeled All Surveys. This is your main hub for managing and selecting the survey you wish to embed. After clicking on All Surveys, you'll see a list of all the surveys you've created. Browse through this list and select the survey that you want to embed in your Mailerlite email. Once you've made your selection, look for the button that says Send Survey. This is typically located near the top of the survey management page. Now, when you click on Send Survey, a new set of options will appear. Here, you want to focus on the section labeled More Ways to Send. This is where you can choose different delivery methods for your survey. Look for the option that says Website and click on it. This is the step where you'll prepare to embed your survey into your Mailerlite email. After selecting Website, you'll see a few more options. One of these will be Embedded Survey. Go ahead and click on this option. This choice will generate the HTML code necessary to embed the survey directly into your email content. Once you've clicked on Embedded Survey, you'll notice a button labeled Copy. Click this button to copy the HTML code to your clipboard. This code is what you'll paste into your Mailerlite email campaign to make the survey appear directly in your emails. Now that you have the code copied, it's time to switch over to Mailerlite. Log into your Mailerlite account and navigate to the email campaign where you'd like to include your survey. Once you're in the campaign editor, locate the section where you can add HTML content. This might be labeled as a custom HTML block or something similar depending on the version of Mailerlite you're using. Paste the HTML code you copied from SurveyMonkey into this section. This will embed the survey directly into your email layout. From here, you can adjust the styling or layout to better match your campaign's design, ensuring it looks seamless and professional. Once everything is set, preview your email to make sure the survey appears correctly. This is an important step because it allows you to see exactly how your subscribers will view the survey in their inboxes. Make any necessary adjustments if needed. Finally, when you're satisfied with how everything looks, save your changes and proceed to send out your email campaign. Your subscribers will now receive an interactive survey directly in their inbox, allowing them to engage with your content in a meaningful way. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a SurveyMonkey form into a Mailerlite email. With this integration, you can gather valuable feedback and insights from your audience, all while keeping them engaged with interactive content. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your email marketing efforts.